Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then in this left section let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on the languages and input option, which is at the top, and then enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently kind of used languages. This is a shortcut of a really long list from which we can pick the languages. So here we've got those which we are most likely use. So let's start with adding in the language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. So basically let's find the language and tap on it, and let me pick the Turkish one. Let's tap on the region, and as you can see, this language has been immediately applied to the list, which means that it is highlighted and we've got a better access and much faster access to this option. As you can see also, the English is still a main language, so nothing changed actually. And all we have to do is to reorder the languages to set the language you want to use at the top. So let me tap on the Turkish, tap on it and hold it, and then we have to drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on the language, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, simply tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with tapping on remove, and we've got only English left. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.